There are so many questions in aptitude. Thinking what to solve, what not to solve, then save this video. This video is the top aptitude questions that you should solve for your MAT exam, CAT exam, placement, and any related aptitude examinations. Hi, this is Harismita Rajkumar. So let's continue the part 3 video of must do aptitude questions. If you haven't seen part 1 and part 2, go kindly check it out. So those patterns can be asked in your examination. So don't miss it. Just go check it out. So in this part 3 video, we'll be mainly solving 2 sums, and if time permits, we'll solve 3 sums also. So here in this, we'll be dealing with the mixture problems, like the ml quantity of mixing so much of water to into so much of juice, those kind of problems. And other question, just go check it out. What is the other question? Just wait for some like 2-3 minutes. So I'll be solving this sum and just going to the next sum. So let's quickly get started. A jug was full of juice. Yeah, a jug is full of juice. I have drawn it, and a person draws a 1/6 of the juice from the jug and replaces it with water. So for example, let me assume that this is my this is my juice, and 1/6 of it is replaced by water. So this is nothing but 1/6 of the juice. And how many times he repeats the process? He repeats the process 3 times, and finally he's left with only this much of juice, which is 1250 ml, and remaining it is full of water. Okay, so how much is left out? He's left out with 1250 ml. So now they are asking, what is the initial quantity of juice? So what is this initial quantity of juice that he had in the first stage? Okay, now for this solving, I'll just quickly go through a formula. So your final quantity, which is already given, which is 1250 ml, and we have to find this initial quantity, and this is 1 minus x by v, where x is nothing but amount of the juice or anything replaced each time, and n is number of repetitions. So this is the formula. Just remember, every aptitude sum has formulas. You have to remember everything, or it is better you solve those sums, so which you can easily remember on your own itself. So this is a liquid replaced repeatedly formula. Okay, now let me just say what is my x here, amount replaced. Every time it is replaced by 1/6. Okay, so 1/6 is replaced. Okay, what is v? V is the total, I mean the ratio. V is the total number of juices. Now it is just a fraction, it's given as a fraction itself, so we need not worry. So your x by v is nothing but 1/6. So, and what is my n? Let me write. My x by v is nothing but number of thing replaced. Each time 1/6 is replaced. And how many repetitions are there? So totally the process is repeated 3 times. Okay, what is my final quantity of juice? Final quantity of juice is 1250 ml, right? So my final quantity is 1250 ml. I hope it is clear now. And now I just have to substitute it. So when I substitute it, I'll be getting 1250 is equal to initial quantity. Let me write it as x. So let this be initial quantity be x into 1 minus 1/6 power 3. What is 1 minus 1/6? 1 minus 1/6 is 5/6. So I can write 1250 is equal to x into 5/6 the whole cube. Okay, now if I just have the x this side, it will be 1250 into 6/5 the whole cube. When it goes to the other side, it changes, right? So denominator changes to the numerator and numerator comes to the denominator. So it becomes 6/5 the whole cube. So how much is 6/5 the whole cube? So x is equal to 1250 into I will be getting 6 cube is 216 and 5 cube is 125. So when I further do it, x is equal to, I'll be getting 2160 ml. So this is your initial quantity of juice, right? So initial quantity of juice is 16. This is ml. So when I convert it, it is 1.60 liters. So your answer for this will be 1.60. Sorry, 1 second. 1.60 liters. So this is your final answer. So don't forget this formula. Just take a screenshot of this formula or note it down. So I'll be solving the must do aptitude questions, right? So each and every question I'll be giving each and every formulas. So just note those formulas. A similar type can be asked. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. So in a batch of 36 students are there. So totally in this batch, you are having 36 children and goes for an excursion to Nainital. Okay. When one 10-year child, one 10-year child. So you are having 36 students. In that, one 10-year child is getting replaced with another child. This child is 10 years. He is getting replaced. Now, average children in this whole batch, average children, suppose a whole batch has x as average children and it is increased by 1/2 months. Okay. Now what is the age of new child? So he's getting replaced by another child, right? That child's age is asked. Now let me convert 1/2 months to years. Okay, when I convert 1/2 months to years, I'll be getting, so basically having 5/2 months. 1/2 is 5/2. Mixed fraction, when I convert, it'll be 5/2 months. So when I convert that into years, so it'll be 5/2 into 1/12. So basically you're dividing it, right? So 5/24 year. So for converting the months to year, I have to divide it by 12. So basically, if this is confusing for you, I can write divided by 12. So I'll be getting 5/4 months. Okay. Now average is there, no? So how a total increase in average? Okay. Total increase in average age. Okay. Total increase in age for all 36. So what they're saying, average children, so average age of the children is increased by these many months. So for 36 children, how much it is, that you have to calculate. So for that, I'm just multiplying 36 into this average increase, which is 5/24. So I will be getting approximately 7.5 years is average increase for per child for all 36. So average it is increasing 7.5 years. So since, I mean not average, it is total increase. Okay. Now since they asked you age of new child to find age of new child is nothing but, so which child got replaced? So 10-year-old child got replaced, right? 10-year-old child got replaced. So 10-year-old child plus your average increase will be your age of your new child, which is 17.5 years is your age of your new child. So let me just go quickly wrap. First, you have to find number of average increases they gave, no? So for that, you have to find total increase. Okay, in total increase, only because of this replacement, the total increase is 7.5 years. So the child got replaced is 10 years. You have to add the total increase. That's all. So I hope you understood the sum. And if you want any other videos related to it, if you want more such videos, just comment below. Thank you.